లక్షకి పైగా ఆడియో పాడ్కాస్ట్లు వార్తా యాప్ లో విని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. తెలుగు లేదా వేరే ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో అయినా మీ పాడ్కాస్ట్ ని వార్తా యాప్ లో పబ్లిష్ చేసుకోండి. కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉన్న లింక్ ని క్లిక్ చేసి వార్తా యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
Okay, here's the fabulous packaging, and when you open it, chusara enni unnayo, you can brush it, volume kosam, curls kosam, different sizes, idi pedda size, idi chinna size. So I'm going to show you how, and this is just a dryer, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this product, okay? So, peoples, I tell you, ee pandemic lo nenu nechukunna amazing hair styling hack is through Dyson anamata. Naku enta ishtam ante idigo idi nenu America lo konukochukunnanu, okay? India lo launch avvakamundu, because you know my hair is very brittle, chala, it goes through a lot of styling and you have to be careful. But what is amazing with this is it has Cortana technology anamata. Simple usage of all of the buttons. Cool shot undi na cool shots chala ishtam because your hair doesn't stay dry. So na hair koncham wet ga undi, okay? Wet hair lone I'll show you the magic. Ready? Turning it on. అంతే 4 సార్లే చేశాను నేను. యూజువల్ గా మనం పార్లర్కి వెళ్తే లాగి 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 ఉన్న 3 జుట్లు కూడా ఊడిపోయేటట్టు చేస్తారు కదా, అలా కాకుండా దిస్ ఇస్ అమేజింగ్. ఐ జస్ట్ డిడ్ ఇట్ 4 times and I'm pretty lazy, so I take big sections, but if you do it with smaller sections, your hair is like so smooth and you can do different things. Wait, I'll show you another great trick, okay? But that has to be done in wet hair, but I'll just show you the idea of what it is. Simple ga chusarga anta simple ga attach chesano. Now look at this. Chinni section teeskoni on close the door, and then I put a cool shot for 5 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. And ready? This is a curl, and then I open it up. So koncham wavy ga undachu, because my hair is frizzy wavy, you know. So let me finish the entire thing and I'll show you. Chusara, this whole thing didn't even take me 15 minutes. Usually 1 hour hair kucholante 1.5 hour dry cheyadan, you know. Like this, I'm ready to go out. Chala mandiki telusu that I don't like washing my hair. I have my own little setup there to wash my hair. But this now, it excites me, you know. I don't need to wait for a hairdresser or plan that. So, yeah. Nice. So my coming back to life series is going to be so easy, and I can get ready in no time because I'm working with different timelines all over the world. So here you go. I hope you guys get it too. All girls should own this, I'm telling you. And no extensions. This is all my own hair. Don't ask me if it's your hair. Extensions. Pandemic did well for me to grow my hair, I guess. Okay, so I'll show you curls. Yeah. One hand free. Cool shots. This is really magic, guys. Chudu. And key entante, you should take small sections. Most people take big sections, but for curls alone, take small sections. And ta-da! Look at this. ఇంకో లాస్ట్ బిట్ ఉంది, అది కూడా చేస్తా. And here we go. And now I have the curls.
Hi, this is Raj Tarun.
Hi, this is Srinivas Reddy.
హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ ఐశ్వర్య రాజేష్.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
For latest movie reviews, updates and gossip, please subscribe to IG Telugu.
మీకు ఐజీ తెలుగు నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి.
Thank you.